gonna let it run for about 15 minutes. Hold the dipstick on it, it's a little low on oil. Take a trip up here to the front. Nope, we left that in the off position, didn't we? Sorry, hold on, run back to the back. Nope, that's in the front. Okay. Just 10 seconds of your life you'll never get back. Fun time here. Oh, look, a whole nother set of keys. Dashboard. You got gauges. You got alarms because we're not up to air pressure yet. Good oil pressure. Absolutely nothing on these meters. But I did put the meter on the jump starting poles, and it had gone from 12.9 with the battery, the engine off, up to 13.4. So I know that this engine is charging its batteries. Whew, it's a long walk. All kinds of things. Usually these are on, but because I have the solar disconnected, nothing's going around here. Except the mysterious little blue light on the jacks. Nobody knows why it's on. You got your Allison automatic. Typical Wonder Lodge stuff. CB not connected to anything as far as I know. Okay.